a monk for a reason, to serve society, to heal people's minds. That's what I'm going to do here.
I will continue to work for Dharma. I will continue to put all my energy into the Dharma.
We have a lot of work to do. Joyful work, happy work, excitement, a work that will fulfill our destiny and our legacy and why we have joined together in this life. We didn't get together to eat, to sleep, or to gossip. We got together to do Dharma work, to benefit others. We got together for previous life's karma and prayer, to be here to do Dharma work.
I will be dead in a few years. It's not named Tsem Rinpoche Institution. It's named Kechara. This institution is not for Tsem Rinpoche. This institution is to create Dharma teachers, Dharma learning, Dharma meditation, healing, and purification. I will die, I will retire, but this must continue.
If I die that day, I'm glad I spent my life in spirituality. If I died that day last week, I'm glad I spent most of my life in doing works for others. May I use my life to benefit others as much as possible. In this life and all future lives, may I be of tremendous benefit to others. May all of you abide in this type of happiness always. Until then, until every single sentient being is liberated, I will return again and again and again. my sincerest good wishes, prayers, that all of you will live very long, and all of you will be able to find who you really are inside. which is an altruistic person. And to use the remaining time in your lives to benefit others without self-created obstacles. And I also wish all of you great fortune, great fulfillment, and great spiritual achievements.